How do we know life evolved? It's like a grand detective story with clues scattered across time and continents. The first clues are buried in rock. The fossil record isn't just a random collection of bones, it's a timeline. Deeper, older layers reveal simple, single-celled life. As we move to younger rock, life grows more complex, with transitional fossils like Archaeopteryx, part dinosaur, part bird, capturing evolution in the act. But the story isn't confined to the past. Look at your own hand. The five-fingered bone structure is the same basic blueprint found in a bat's wing and a whale's flipper. These are homologous structures, echoes of a common ancestor. Whales even retain tiny, useless pelvic bones, remnants of a time their ancestors walked on land. These clues extend to the very beginning of our own lives. Early on, the embryos of a human, a fish, and a bird look almost identical, complete with tails and gill-like slits, hinting at a shared aquatic origin. The most definitive evidence, however, is written in our DNA. Every living thing, from bacteria to blue whales, uses the same genetic code. This universal language is a powerful testament to a single origin of life. It's why you share about 98% of your DNA with a chimpanzee. We're incredibly close cousins in the grand family tree. This family tree has spread across the globe. Why are marsupials like kangaroos almost exclusively in Australia? Because their ancestors evolved there after the continent broke away. Why do the Galapagos Islands have unique finches that resemble those on mainland South America? An ancestral bird was blown off course, and its descendants adopted to their new island homes. From ancient bones to our shared genetic code, every piece of evidence tells the same story. Life is one vast, interconnected, and ever-changing family.